Today's almanac, let's talk about that. It's a little bit easier to understand. 80 for a high, 84 was the record, and basically the record all of this week is about 83 to 85. But we're talking going back to the 50s here. 1957 was the record high temperature. 63 this morning, that's almost 10 degrees above average, and I really don't see anything getting a little bit lower, at least not for Tampa, than 60 degrees over the next week or so. So we're going to stay warm. Look at the difference in the fog out here at the beach today. Wyndham Grand, Clearwater Beach, just so nice. Light wind, so you got glass out there on the Gulf. Lots of folks enjoying it. Should be a fantastic sunset this evening. 75 degrees, dew points in the mid-60s. This is also the reason why we're not going to drop our air temps down. They don't really get below where the dew point is, just a little bit to make some fog there, and that is it. So that means we're going to stay mild in the mornings. We are cooler along the coast as usual, right? 72 in Seminole, 75 in Tampa, 78 in Plant City, and Lakeland's at 82 degrees. Obviously, the water temperature doing that, but it is starting to come back up a little bit. 66 today at Pier 60, 79 in Sebring, 75 in Sarasota and Crystal River at 72 degrees right now. Dew points, as I mentioned, in the mid-60s. These will drop a touch, but not much. But the key for me here with this is that when the water temperature starts to get above the dew points, that limits the amount of fog. So what happens without water temperatures? Don't think about that. Clear skies, light winds, temperature comes down to the dew point in the mornings, we get some patchy fog, right? That's the normal fog. Then we say on TV, we say sea fog. Well, that's because the colder water temperatures with those high dew points cools the air here down to those dew points, so it makes extra thick fog. We still have a little bit of a combination, but not as much. So we do have some fog forecast for tonight. There will be some along the immediate coast, but I don't think it will be quite as widespread as what we have seen along at least the immediate coast. I think it would be more of a typical patchy fog morning for you tomorrow morning. Now, the travel plans in the Northeast actually had some really good mix of rain and sleet and even ice in parts of northern Maryland, Pennsylvania. Look at the snow in Boston. I mentioned Boston because it looks like they're going to have a stretch of about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks of just storm after storm. So the groundhog saw its shadow. 6 more weeks of winter for them. Certainly it looks like that. For us, it's just beautiful weather. High pressures over top of us, so we end up with really nice sunny and dry days and temperatures near 80. We do have that weather impact alert just for the fog. Going to go from 11 p.m. tonight through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Obviously, you can see here 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Get to our lower temperatures, better chance for some fog. So just watch it in the morning. Amanda will have you updated on Brightside. 60 in Tampa tomorrow morning, 60 in Sarasota, mid-50s to the north. Here's what that fog looks like by about 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's a little overdone, but you get it. Just patchy fog, and then boom, it just clears out very quickly, especially along the coast. It might linger a little bit past about 10 o'clock or so for Polk County. Then tomorrow we go back up to around 80 degrees with sunshine. Another beautiful, quiet weather day. Boating looks really good. Those north to northwest winds, 5 knots. It's just going to look a whole lot like what you see out there today. And are you seeing it? Are you seeing the pollen levels pile up on your car out there? Are you certain you're feeling it? They're going to stay in that high range as we get going through the next, well, I was going to say next several days, but we might as well just say next several weeks for sure. Hey, outdoor plans for Sunday for Super Bowl. Gorgeous. Upper 70s, low 80s. In fact, it'll be sunny, so it is kind of warm out there in the sunshine. Keep that in mind.